Looks like snow is out of the forecast now that we had today's round come through, so that bodes well over the next week as we all get ready to travel for the holidays. A lot of the snow that came down today was kind of along and east of I-39, so if you were west of I-39, really didn't see that much for snowfall. Some preliminary totals, some of these values still could go up a little bit. Rockford Airport at around noon measuring just over a half an inch of snow. We'll have to see if that total goes up at all, but you can see east of I-39 anywhere between an inch to about 2.5 inches of snowfall, so a decent helping of winter weather early today. Then during the afternoon, temperatures were on the rise. We had warmer air coming in from the north, which is not something we typically see, but that brought in rain showers. That brought in temperatures close to 40 degrees. So even though we're seeing some wet weather right now, and now worries about any kind of iciness going into this evening, we'll continue to have these little bands of rain that are coming in from the north last for a couple more hours. If you're right in between some of those, probably not seeing much for rainfall, but light, rainy, drizzly conditions are expected through the remainder of this evening. We're also watching the winds slowly settle down. Gusts up to about 25 miles per hour, 30 miles per hour in some spots right now. We still have wind advisories in effect for areas like Freeport, Stevenson County, and west. Occasional gusts may top 40 miles per hour through about 8 o'clock, so be ready for those strong winds to last for just a little bit longer. Elsewhere, though, quieter conditions will slowly move in over the rest of this evening. So between now and 8, we've got some strong winds in some spots. Also, these little bands of rain that'll last until about 8 o'clock, and then after that, we slowly dry up. So end of the evening expecting to have quiet conditions, same for tonight, and then we go into the weekend with much quieter weather. Overall, expecting to see temperatures on the rise and will stay mainly cloudy, but at least the next few days are going to be dry. So late tonight, mainly cloudy, just a little bit on the windy end. Temperatures basically holding steady, upper 30s for tonight. They don't warm up a ton tomorrow, but we're seasonable. We're back to the middle 40s under a mainly cloudy sky. And then over the weekend, a similar story. Middle 40s again for Saturday with quieter winds. Sunday feels warm. We're up to 50 degrees with a mostly cloudy sky. Might be the warmest day we'll see for a while, though. An early look at the travel conditions for next week. Just ever so slight chances for rain for Monday as well as Thanksgiving itself, but really dry otherwise. And I think even those days are trending dry, so that bodes well. The temperatures are about to get a lot colder, though. Let's look ahead on the forecast. After topping out at 50 on Sunday, 30s ahead for highs by Tuesday. Same for Thanksgiving in your most accurate 10-day forecast. Once we get beyond a cold Turkey Day, it's the 20s for highs. So Stroll on State looking pretty chilly in that long-range outlook.